No abandon governance for 2023 election matter. Buhari naim young ministers this one. Consti talk say make SGF and all ministers ready hand over document to the next government. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don yarn ministers and other top people for government make them no abandon governance sake of election campaign matter. Buhari talk this one on Tuesday for Abuja for the 2022 Ministerial Performance Review retreat. Buhari and the participants of this retreat say as them don start election campaign for 2023, governance must continue to receive ogbonge attention this period. Buhari constantly yarn on the ministers, permanent secretaries, and ogas for different government parastatals make them continue to do their work wella. Presido Buhari constantly direct the secretary to the federal government make it continue with the quarterly review process and assessment of ministers for the third and fourth quarter of 2022, sake of say this report na him go form part of the transition documents of this administration to the next government. To achieve this one, Presido constantly order all ministers and permanent secretary make them make sure say them submit quarterly performance reports of their ministries to office of the SGF. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget your PVC and your power. Not that I'm giving any politician on election day.